Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 3, Lesson 8. You know, we've been measuring quite a bit, and I think we're doing a rock star job. What do you think? Yeah, agreed. All right, so today I thought I would play a little game with my friend Reese. I said, Reese, let's measure the same object, and then on the count of 3, we'll say our answer and see if it's the same. And she's like, oh, that sounds like so much fun. I know, I come up with the best games. So I have this cute little hamster, and I said, let's go ahead and measure it. So she went to her desk and measured, and I stayed at my desk and measured. And then she goes, okay, I got the answer. And I said, me too. And I said, okay, 1, 2, 3, let's say our answer. And I said, 6, super loud. And Reese said, 3. What? Reese, how did you get 3 and I got 6? We must be having trouble measuring this hamster. We went back to our own desk, measured again, and she came back and she said, no, I still have 3. And I was like, what? I have 6. What is going on? Friends, what do you think happened to us? We both were measuring it correctly, but we both had different answers. It was a puzzle to us until Reese said, I don't know how you got 6 when it's clearly only 3 paper clips long. Oh, a light bulb went off in my head because Reese had measured in paper clips, but I had measured in centimeter cubes. So wait a minute. We both realized a really good lesson. We cannot measure with 2 different things and then compare our answers. We need to make sure that we're measuring with the exact same item or the same unit. So that's helpful actually because our learning goal says that by the end of this lesson, I will be able to say, I can determine what measurement to use, either something standard or a non-standard unit. Today we're going to be doing is we're going to be practicing measuring with standard and non-standard units, and then we'll see how they're the same or different. Here we go. All right, so how long is it? I had this cute little ladybug, and I measured him, and he was 7 centimeter cubes long. What would I say? 7 centimeters. Now, if I'm going to measure him in paper clips, my answer wouldn't be 7. Friend, go ahead and look. Count those paper clips. How long, if he was 7 centimeters, how many paper clips long is that ladybug? All right, I said 1, 2, 3. Yeah, while he's 7 centimeters long, he's only 3 paper clips long. Now, are those 2 numbers the same? No, they're totally different. One's 7 and one's 3. The reason for that is the centimeter cubes are a lot smaller than the paper clips. So that makes a big difference. I need to have more centimeter cubes and I would have to have those big old paper clips. So our numbers are for sure going to be different. That's why having the correct label is going to be helpful. Let's try it again. This time I had a cute little owl. Now what would you say is the answer when I'm counting in centimeter cubes? Did you say 4 centimeter cubes? Well done. Yeah, when I measured using my cubes, I saw that it was 4 centimeters long. Now what if I switch it up and do paper clips? How long would you say the owl is in paper clips? Yeah, that's totally right. 1 paper clip. Do you see the difference? Yeah. Make sure we're doing our good labels, otherwise I'm going to get confused. Let's try another one. What if I have this cute little snaily? He's so cute. How long would you say that snail is? That's right, he is 4 centimeters as well. Very nice. What if I switched it up and I use a non-standard unit of measurement like these paper clips? How long would you say he is now? Ding, 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 ding. You did an excellent job if your answer was 2 paper clips. So you could say this snail is 4 centimeters long, or you could say this snail is 2 paper clips long. Our learning goal said that by the end of this, we would be able to say, I can determine or, figure out what measurement to use, standard or non-standard units. Friends, you'll know what measurement to use based on what you're comparing your answer to. If everybody's measuring in centimeter cubes, I would recommend using centimeter cubes. If everyone's measuring in paper clips, that's probably what you want to measure with too. You want to make sure that what you're measuring is the same unit that you're comparing to, otherwise your answer is going to be totally off. Just to practice this one more time, this is what you're going to seesaw. How long is the ladybug? Now, you don't need to draw the ladybug, you don't need to draw the paper clips, and you certainly don't need to draw the centimeter cubes. The only thing you're going to do is tell me how many paper clips long he is, and then how many centimeters long he is. So here's our good picture. There's my centimeter cubes, and there's the ladybug with the paper clips. what I would like you to do on your dry erase board or in your math journal is I want you to write blank paper clips. Remember, no drawing the ladybug or the paper clips or the centimeter cubes. Just write blank paper clips. Then measure that ladybug using paper clips and write your answer. Then I want you to write blank centimeters. I want you to measure the ladybug using centimeters and write it, filling in your blank. And that's all you have to do. Seesaw your teacher to show her that you know how to measure in different ways. And that, of course, we've learned that we need to make sure our measurements match up with someone else who's measuring with the same unit. All right, good luck, friends.